In this video we are going to create a custom header for our domain website. I'm using my unlimited lifetime Influencersoft license here. So let's get started. Please click on Websites. This is my current main site. It's called Funnel Builder Tutorial. Now I can click on the site name. Here is the main page that we have created in a former tutorial video. When I click on the eyeball, you will see that we have a footer section, but no content so far. So let's close the preview and click on the main page. I have an edit button because I have created some content before. If you don't have an edit button, you probably want to watch one of the other videos about how to create the website. I'm now going to edit it. This is based on a blank template. We already have done the footer section in the last video. But the header is still missing, so let's click on the header section. And this time I would like to use one of the predefined sections here. You see that we have different categories. We are going to pick a header template. Now comes the preview. So let's pick this one. You can drag it into the header section. It takes a few seconds, but here it is. I would like to replace the image. Now let's upload this one. Let's also change the text for the headline. I don't need a logo. So far the button will not do anything. You can do a lot of cool stuff with it, but that's a topic for a different video. So far I'm happy. So let's save it. The page has been saved successfully. And now I need to click on the little switch here to turn on the header section, otherwise we wouldn't see it. Now it's activated. So let's save again. You can use this little star to save your creation as a custom template. I will do that so that I can use it for other projects. It takes a few seconds. Now it's done. Now please click on the little red door symbol. Yes, we want to exit. Here is the preview. And when we click on the link for funnelbuildertutorial.com, we see that our custom header section is already live and available online. So far the button doesn't work, but this is a topic for a different video, because in this little video you have learned how to create a customized website header for your own funnel website. And you have created it yourself in under 5 minutes.